All right, guys, we are reviewing the Hotop threaded knurled thumbscrew. These are monitor mount thumbscrews or whatever different issues you could need a thumbscrew for. These are amazing. Now, I got the 10 pack here, but you can get it in packs of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, or 200. I think that's amazing. Let me just get these open so I can show you. But super easy to use. Here's one up close. They're just very easy, very grippy on that side. So it's going to be very easy for you to just unscrew them or screw them in. The fact that you get 10 of these or up to 200 is amazing, depending on what kind of line of work you're in. These could come in handy. This company is amazing. This has almost 1,000 4.7 to 5-star reviews, many of them written, currently selling 200 plus per month. This is an incredible value. If you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend it.